Module 5, Lesson 2, Formal Definition of a Function. I'm not sure this is exactly formal, but my definition of a function in my own words is every x has one and only one y matched to it. So if you have an x value, it's not going to have two different values for y. Inputs are your x values, and they are also called our independent variable. We'll talk more about independent and dependent variables later, but I want to mention it now. Our outputs are our y values, and they are dependent variables. And the rule is the equation relating input and output, or x and y. So they want to know, does the table or the graph represent a function? Well, so looking at the first table, 0.5 goes to 4, 1 goes to 16, 1.5 to 36, 2 to 64, 2.5 to 100, 3 to 144, 3.5 to 196, and 4 to 256. Therefore, each x value has a y value, and it only has one y value. So this table is a function. Now, this table, 0.5 goes to 4, but 1 goes to 16 and to 36. Because 1 goes to 16 and to 36, we don't need to look any further. This is not a function. So our x values can only have one y value matched with it. Otherwise, it's not a function.